So this is going to be a tour of a Boardwalk studio with a garden pool view. I also have videos up with these views for a 1-bedroom in May and a studio in June, and I'll link those below. So for this studio, it's just the opposite of the one we did in June, with the kitchen area is now on the left instead of the right, and the bathroom on the opposite side. So you can see the doors right here. So when you walk in, you have the mirror on your right hand side, and you walk in, and then you have the kitchen area on the left hand side. So let's turn on this light so we can just see things a little bit better. So up here we have some storage space, some extra paper towels, and some, it's not focusing, I don't know why, but it's some plastic utensils. I'll just pull that down so you can see. A bottle opener, plastic utensils, creamers, and sugar and sweeteners. So then we have the microwave right below that, and pretty clean in here. After the microwave, we can see that we have, oh, this is actually a double toaster. 4 slices you can put in here. A lot of the other resorts just have the 2 slices at a time. So I don't know if someone left this behind or they replaced this in here, but that's really nice, more efficient. Then we have some mugs up here and paper plates for use, an ice bucket. So I'm just gonna back up and just show the full view. I'm losing focus, there we go. So this is the full view of the kitchen area. You can see you get the coffee straight ahead, the coffee maker on the right, the sink on the left, and then you get a fridge here, a bigger mini fridge to put your stuff in with a little freezer section. So this is the refrigerator, and the freezer section like is that big. Then underneath here we have a garbage and recycling with paper towels and some more space if you need there. So then on the right hand side is going to be the bathroom area. So let's try to find the light. Oh, here's the light. Okay. Oh. So this is the shower area. It's really not that well lit in here. The studio I was in last month, it seems to be more well lit. Here are the H2O products they leave in the bathroom. The shower area. The toilet, extra toilet paper and towels here. I don't know why I'm losing so much focus. Maybe it's the lighting. So I'll just back up to give a full view of that area. My only complaint so far is that it doesn't seem well lit in there. So let me just show you the next area. So we come over here and we have the full bathroom area right here. We have that side mirror on the left hand side. It's helpful for makeup contacts, looking at your face closer. We have the H2O products, some towels, tissues, the sink, big vanity area to get ready, but only 1 sink. So now if we look below, here we have trash, right under here some more space, draw space, there's a hair dryer in here, more space down here, extra tissues and toilet paper, and more space over here. So we'll just go back a second and just show that full view again. Then we'll go into the closet area right here. There's a safe, decent size, and you can probably fit your laptop in there. Pillows and blankets, more pillows and blankets, hangers, a vacuum back there, an iron, and an ironing board as well. You can see the iron back there. And then if you want to put your suitcase up, you have that as well. Then we go into the bedroom area. So a lot of natural light is coming in. So here we have the bed on the right hand side, all the information as usual, the quote card, information about cast members being able to come into your room, and then a little note from the general manager of the resort. We have a mirror here as well right next to the bed, and then we have the phone over here, and some outlets, which I think the phones, like, They look a little dusty sometimes. This one isn't too bad, but I think they need new phones. They look so old, and you can tell that they're worn. You got the drawer here with the Bible, some more space under here. We got the couch area over here that pulls out into a bed, a lamp, coffee table area. Then over here, we have the TV. But right on the left-hand side, in the bedroom area when you walk in, is just this whole dresser with a bunch of drawers. So you can put stuff in here if you want to unpack. And then a space on top. I like how it's not too tall, so you can actually utilize that space on top, which is what I did last month. So now we have the table and 2 chairs right here. This also pulls out to another bed. I really like how they have outlets right here, and then the TV's here, and they have more outlets here. So this is really nice if you have a lot of things to charge. There's a surface to put it down on, and I've actually started hooking up my computer with the HDMI cable. And it's so easy when you're staying at a resort like this where you can put the computer down, there's an outlet to charge the computer, and the cord, it's just very easy and simple, not that it's dragging across the room. So this is the adjoining door. Make sure it's locked, because I had an issue one time at not a Disney hotel, another hotel where it was not locked. That's a story for another day. But here is the area that takes you outside to the balcony. And if you look right here, you can see we have the 2 chairs and a table. And you can see right here, we have the 2 chairs and table. And this is just the pool. This is like the smaller pool area. The big pool is like the next section up with the clown. But this pool is super nice because it's very convenient. That's why I really like staying at the Boardwalk. I love the convenience of the parks, and I really do love the convenience when you stay on the villa side. Even though you're hiking all the way back, you're very close to the pool most likely. So you can just, if you're going out later at night, you just run down and you can jump in. And that's it for this room tour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the alerts button, so that way you're notified next time I have a video come out.